Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove manager to your channel. So first of all, if you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so that you get notified on our latest updates. Let's get started. First go to your YouTube channel and go to your home page. So I will go to my YouTube channel. So this is my home page. I will click on my channel icon and go all the way down to YouTube Studio. So once you are in your studio, click on settings. So it will be on the left side. Click on settings. So after clicking the settings pane, it will open the setting window where you need to press permissions and then click on manage permission. So this will open a new window where you will have the brand account details. So if you are looking for this account to add manager, click on manage permission. And this will open the confirmation where you need to enter your user ID to confirm, password to confirm. And then it will again bring back the brand account details. Click on manage permission again. So this will allow you to change the roles or invite users. So as you can see, there is only one user, that is a primary owner. So to add multiple users, click on invite new users on the top right and enter the email address of your friend or whomever you want to add as a manager or anything. So I'll add my second account so that I can show you that this is a working method. So once you are done with adding the email ID, you need to choose a role. So before choosing the role, I will show you what are the roles working with that. So owners, managers and communication managers. Owners can manage or is the main of the account, so you will manage everything. And managers can manage Google accounts like brand accounts, but they can't manage whoever controlling this account. So communication manager can only use the Google services but can't use YouTube. So that's the three main difference. If you want, you can check in the description. I have attached that. So after confirming your requirement, you need to go there and click on the roles and choose the role which you want. So I will be using manager for this and invite. So it is like invited manager. So once you get this message, you need to go to your friends or a manager and accept there. So in my case, I will open the second account which I am using to show you that. So I will log into the second account. So I will go to Gmail. As you can see, there is an invitation from Google My Business. So accept invitation. So once you click on the accept, it will make you as the manager for that. So to manage the permission, to see whether you are the managing permission, click on next. And this will open the manage permission again. As you can see, you are the manager, but you can't remove the primary owner. So if you want to remove some users, what you need to do is log in using the primary owner, and whomever you want to remove, click on close and remove. So that will remove the user. So this is very much simple. So that's how you do it. So if you like this video, do like, share and comment the video. Thanks guys.